Hello.
Hey there.
I gotta tell you, I'm recording. All right.
Yep.
Were you driving?
Yes, I was.
Are you injured?
No.
No?
I just hit my head a couple times.
Hit your head?
That's
okay.
it.
All right. Why don't you tell me what happened?
I was coming on the parkway past the Butler Market entrance for coming north side, you know?
Okay.
And I tried to get over because I was in the right lane, and I caught on a little bit of gravel, and I kept it pretty straight. I was speeding, I'm gonna admit that.
Okay.
And I lost control and I hit the thing, and then I also collided with another car. I'm not sure if it was just one. I don't think I hit a second one. I think I just accidentally collided into a second person. Then I spun around and I crashed right here. And I haven't moved since.
Okay. All right. Do you have any license or identification on you?
Yes, I do. Or I should.
And is that a real gun?
Yeah.
Don't reach for that.
Sorry.
Go and hop out for me.
I can't store one open.
Okay.
And the guy already took my keys. The guy who called the cops.
Okay. Okay. Crawl out that side. I don't want you reaching for that gun. You're not injured?
No, I'm not injured.
Okay. Don't reach for that. Hey, let me see it. Hey, 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 hey. Drop the gun! Drop the gun! Is that a real gun? Don't reach for that. Hop out for me.
I have his keys, Cody.
Okay.
Okay.
He's cool. Seems to be cool.
Crawl out
Okay.
that side. I don't want you reaching for that gun. You're not injured?
No, I'm not injured.
Don't reach for that. Hey, let me see it. Hey. Drop the gun! Drop the